Welcome to an analysis of India's first algae tree, an urban air purification technology implemented in Bhopal. This video provides an overview of the project, which was launched under the Smart Cities mission in Bhopal. Key highlights include its development by Mushroom World Group, installation at Swami Vivekananda Park, and its solar-powered autonomous photobioreactor system. It is claimed to reduce local PM 2.5 levels. The algae tree boasts unprecedented efficiency, reportedly capturing 1.5 tons of CO2 annually. One unit is said to absorb as much carbon dioxide as 20 to 25 mature natural trees, making it ideal for congested urban areas. Next, we will look at global case studies, learning from international biotech implementations of similar technology. Examples of global algae innovations include the BioUrban project in Mexico City, street installations in Warsaw, and building facades in Geneva for biomass and energy generation. However, this technology is not without its challenges and concerns, encompassing scientific, economic, and ecological considerations. Critical limitations include scientific concerns like limited long-term validation and scalability uncertainty. Economic challenges involve high initial and maintenance costs and specialized technical expertise. It is critical to remember that this technology is not a replacement for natural forests. Biological trees offer complex services beyond simple carbon sequestration that machines cannot yet replicate. Natural ecosystems provide vital benefits like biodiversity support, soil conservation, ecosystem balance, and essential habitat protection for wildlife survival. The path forward involves a hybrid strategy. The algae tree is a localized tactical tool for urban hotspots, while the strategic goal remains urban afforestation and protecting existing green spaces. Thank you for watching this analysis. We hope this video encourages a deeper conversation on urban sustainability.